How to get started with visual scripting using logic bricks in Godot in 90 seconds. First, go to the Asset Store or Asset Library. Search for visual scripting or logic bricks. Click on Logic Bricks Visual Scripting. Then click Download and Install. Now you got to go to Project, Project Settings, then Plugins, and initialize logic bricks. Now go to the Logic Bricks panel, and you'll need to select an object in your scene and add a script to it first. Click Create, and you can edit this instance or the original scene. You can expand the Logic Bricks panel by clicking this button. Go ahead and start adding your nodes. Sensors connect to actuators. Then click Apply Code. This puts the code behind each brick into a GD script that you can alter or add to later. Logic Bricks was designed after the Blender game engine Logic Bricks. It's meant to be straightforward and easy to understand so that anybody can get into game development. Go through this list of sensors and actuators and look for yourself. I bet you can work out what most of those things do. And if you're not sure what something does, each brick has a tooltip to help you get going. The panel on the right allows you to create variables, global variables, states, and you can adjust frames. I'll show you how it's done here. Just select the nodes, click Add Frame. Then you can click on the new frame, rename it, and you can change the color. After you've applied the code from your logic bricks, go ahead and try your game out. Go on and try some things for yourself. I'd love to see what you come up with. Bye for now.